Synthetic oil does last longer. But here's the catch. Your filter and contaminants don't. Every mile adds fuel vapors, moisture, and metal bits. Those don't magically disappear. They chew through additives. Once the filter clogs or goes into bypass, dirty oil circulates through your engine. That's where sludge and wear start. Follow your owner's manual. 5,000, 7,500 miles. Up to 10,000 with top quality oil and filters. Push further. Risk sludge and wear. Want proof? Send a sample to an oil lab. Verdict: myth busted. Filters and contaminants don't last. Synthetic protects. Maintenance matters.